guys, so in this video, I will show you guys how to make a headless head glitch in R15. You need to get these items in order for this avatar trick to work. Now, follow what I do. Make sure your avatar is on R15. So first, you want to equip the head. Now you want to equip the red Ninja Neckgear. Finally, you want to put your body type to 100%. And there you go. A working headless head glitch in R15. Also, shoutouts to DerpyDenzel. I got this idea from him. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.